Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about second object type in Python, which is Boolean object types. And we will start our discussion with why Boolean object type is used. So Boolean object type is used to deal with truth values. Now what is a truth value? So truth value is nothing but the value which is either true or it is false. And if I talk about the numeric context, so any value other than 0 is treated as true. And if the value is equals to 0, then we treat it as false. So these are some of the examples of the Boolean object types. Also, we need to remember this, that Boolean object type is mostly the output of the conditional statements. We'll talk about the conditional statements later on, but for now we always need to remember that if we are using any conditional statement, the result of that conditional statement will be either true or it is false. So like in our example, you can see here, print 1 is greater than 2. So this 1 is greater than 2, this is a condition. And the output of this condition will be either true or it is false. Okay, now let's see here in PyCharm. So suppose if I write print 1 is greater than 2 and run this code. So you can see here we are getting result as false. Why we are getting result as false? Because 1 is not greater than 2. It is smaller than 2. Similarly, if I write 10 is smaller than 20, then in that case we will get the response as true. Why? Because 10 is smaller than 20. So always the condition, when we use conditional statement in our program, the result of the conditional statement will be either true or it will be false. We can also use the truth values. So if I want to print value true, so you can see here in the output it is printing as true. Similarly, if somewhere in my code I want to use the value false, then also Python will not give us any error. So this is all about the Boolean object types in Python. That's all for this session. Thank you.